I mean, whatever, I'm just hanging out. It's Josh with DepriveD Productions. We're in UE4 again. That's right, Unreal Engine 4 material tutorial number 5. We're going to talk about vertex painting, guys. Vertex painting, that's right. That means we're going to color stuff or go paint stuff. You ever paint on a house? You ever paint your house one time? Well, it's going to be the same thing, but on a computer and with a brush, except not a brush. It's going to be a mouse. But you think, well, we go paint. What's this vertex painting all about, huh? We're going to paint this. We're going to paint, oh, look, it's a donut, son. I got this donut, we're gonna paint on it. We can give it some frosting and give it some goodness, you know what I'm talking about? It's got 38,000 faces for all you professional modelers. You can laugh at me. He's an idiot, it's fine. Yeah, I just did it for the purpose of this video, but yeah, way too many faces. I made it in Blender though, pretty cool, right? Let's get in the BP and let's get started. Vertex painting, right? Let's do it. Right click, material, I'm gonna name it VP3, enter. And then, yeah, I can go ahead and drag it on here. Nothing's gonna change just yet. Let's double click on it and let's get started. Here's what we need, okay? Right click, Vertex color. Oh, I didn't spell that right. Just type in Vertex. You see Vertex color right there. That is. Just plug this into base color. And we're actually gonna do the work outside right now. Shows like a little white ball. You got a white ball there. And I'll actually just move this over here. You know how I do it. I like to be able to go back and forth a little bit. So check it out. We got these windows up here, okay? I got my white donut here now. It's already applied. We're in this first tab right here, but there's several. You got landscaping. I think it's like a foliage stuff. We're gonna do this second one right here, and that's the vertex painting. So I'm gonna put your mouse right over the thing and make an arrow and pull it down like that, and here you go. You got it set up and ready to go, and it's ready to. It's got the paintbrush, right? Well, check it out. It's got alpha selected. What I want to do is I want to uncheck that, and I have all these colors here. Now, if I want it to paint red, I actually want to check these two and leave red open. So now, with this selected, if I hold Shift, I'm paint a little red on there. You ever paint a red house? You can paint it. I can Control Z when I'm done. I can, you know, Control Z is obviously undo. I can uncheck that. Now I got green is the only one that's not selected. I could paint a little green on it a little bit. A little bit of real generic grass going on. I could pick different colors, right? Whatever. Now I could just select all three, and it's going to make it black. Yeah, yeah. Red, green, and blue together. Yeah, get it? See what's going on? A little math for you. But we're gonna get out of that mess because I've done destroyed that. But see, what if we want to paint like our own color? You know what I mean? Like, what if we want to have something special on there? That's what that alpha's for, and we're about to find out. Let's go back to, let's double click and go back in here, right? I actually could have just done that, right? Moron. So we need two collars, right? First, I need one collar. I need hold the number 3, boom, and click. What color's a donut? Kind of like a brown donut. Like a brown, like a little bread, like a little dough, like. Kind of like what a donut looks like, but we need some frosting too, right? Like some icing, yeah? Hold 3, click again. I'm a chocolate kind of guy, you know what I'm talking about? Get down on the chocolate a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like a reddish chocolate, you know what I mean? Like, kind of like that. Does that look good? I like that. I think that might work. Now what we need is a lerp, so hold L. There she is. Now what we need to do is we need to take the one that we want the donut to be naturally and put it in the bottom. And all the painting will be in the top. So we're going to paint a little icing on that brown donut. Alpha to alpha. That's how I remember this. See, this is your main one, right? Vertex painting. And then we got red, green, blue channels. And then the alpha channel. Alpha goes in there. Boom. Let's scoot all that back because we need some room. Drawing a line, backing it up. Hold M for a multiply node. All right, so this is where this, hold Alt and click that because that was selected there. But this will go in here. And then the lerp will go in the other. And it doesn't matter which one's which as long as they're both plugged into the multiply, and that will go into the base color. And what do we get? We get the light brown we're looking for, which is probably perfect. I'm making it a little darker. I'm picky, son. But we got the chocolate up top, but that's good. We want it to look like this so we can paint our chocolate. You know what I'm talking about, a little paint. So now that I've got it set up here, right, I could still paint it red, green, and blue and stuff like that, but nah, we don't want to do that. We don't do that and have the alpha in here and get in real close. Hold Shift. Okay. Oh, you like my chocolate? You trying to get your donut glazed? Don't glaze it. Don't glaze it right now. This is a little chocolate. You know what I'm talking about? Chocolate. I can keep going, but you know what? We can do better than that. It looks like chocolate a little bit. We can do better. You know why? Because we can and we're going to. So jump right back in over here real quick, okay? Now check this out. I want you to draw a little line around these two with your mouse like this. Control C for copy, and then Control V for paste, and then boom. We got this. Now I want to plug this into roughness this time. Now let's set up our mess here. Now the alpha goes to alpha. We know that, right? And this goes into the second half of the multiply. We know that. We need 2 values, right? Well, we're just doing roughness, so we don't need color. So hold the number 1 and click. Hold the number 1 and click. We got 2 numbers. And we'll plug them in there. Now we just have to decide what's going on here. Now the bottom one is the donut, the brown. I don't want it to be shiny. I want it to be, set it to the number 1. And then the icing, we'll keep it 0 so it's real shiny, like it's all glossy, like, you know, them real glossy donuts. Let's check it out, right? Let's go back out here. We got a donut's looking a little more bland now instead of all shiny, kind of weird looking a little more like a donut. But now if I click on it, hold shift and paint, I got that real chocolate. You know what I'm talking about? This ain't that fake chocolate like I did before. This is that real chocolate, like you trying to take a bite out of it chocolate. You know what I'm saying? I want to eat that chocolate. But, you know, hey, you know what? I'm a chocolate kind of guy. I ain't gonna lie. But just me, and I want to show you one more thing anyway. I'm a powdered donut kind of guy. You know what I mean? I like my white powder. I want to get it on there. I want to bathe in it. And so what we're going to do is we're going to get it done. So I'll show you a little trick here. Go to the window. Go down to content browser. Go to the content browser number 2 here, right? I'm going to type in the word MOSS, M-O-S-S. And if you have the starter content, you'll have this normal map here. Oh, you already know what I'm doing because I'm getting normal with it. Let's delete MOSS and type in the word concrete. You're probably like, you're check it out. You got these 2 right here. I want you to just grab them. I know it looks strange. Probably thinking I'm crazy. Check it out. Just drag them in there like that. We're gonna have to fix all that mess. Now let's pull these normals down here. But I've got this white thing here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this white kind of concrete look and I'm gonna like make it look like that powder I want because I want that powder on the donut. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Delete. I'm gonna drag this guy over here and plug him in here. So now the donut will have this original look to it, huh? And I'm not gonna lie. We don't need no chocolate on there, not this time. I'm thinking like a raspberry. Oh, purpley pink. Raspberry cranberry sauce. You know what I'm talking about? So now we got our colors. Now, we got to set up the normal, right? We're going to need to do this again. Control C and Control V, the lerp and the multiply right here. Boom. And I'm going to plug this one into normal. Taking up all kind of room now, my friends. I'm going to drag this down a little bit, give myself some room. You're going to have to do that from time to time. I need to plug the alpha to alpha, right? Alpha to alpha. Vertex painting, guys. It's fun. This to the bottom or either one of these multiplies. And now let's just set up these. Now, we want the powder to be on the bottom, right? Got the powder on over here. They got the moss, which is what I'm going to use for the icing. And then I got the powder on the bottom. And I think we're done, guys. And that looks like it's a mess, but let's save it. I see the powder. I see the white powder, and then we're going to go back here. And I mean, that's not bad, right? I mean, that concrete kind of turn it into that. And if I go like this, I will just look. I will glaze every one of y'all's donuts. I'll glaze your donut. You can glaze my donut. We'll glaze them together. We'll share. I'll seriously glaze every donut. Look, I mean, look what's going on right here. Just look at it. This purple. I don't even know it. You know what? I don't even know. It looks like real chunks of cranberry in there or something. Just go. I'm really getting into this. I apologize, but this is gorgeous. I would just keep on doing this, and I would cover it. A little extra frosting because I don't care. I'm a generous guy. But guys, dude, Vertex painting. Here we go. I mean, what have we done? We have created. That's not a bad donut, right? That's not bad. Get close with it. That is okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Love y'all, man. This is great. UE4 number 5 tutorial with materials. I hope you guys enjoyed it, learned something. Go play with texture painting. It's fun, or vertex painting, or whatever you want to call it. You're painting textures, you're painting vertexes, you're painting period, like a house or whatever not. Guys, please go subscribe. Smash that subscribe button on the DepriveD Productions YouTube channel. Please like the Facebook page too. We're always updating on there as well. I appreciate the crap out of you guys, man. Happy holidays. I will be back soon with another tutorial. We're going to keep UE4ing. We're going to keep doing Blender. We're going to keep doing Pro Tools. We got music out. We got all kind of cool stuff out. Check it out, guys. But either way, enjoy the rest of your holiday. I'll talk to you soon.